Howdy doody and welcome in. We are here to do a woolly review. Now this is going to go somewhere other than my house. It's going to somebody else because it's all part of the woolly haul. I can't remember what I called it. The woolly haul giveaway for this month. So this is the Robin Plush DK 100 grams. Now the cheapest place that I have found this is at Wool Warehouse, and it's actually on sale right now for 99 pence a skein. 99 pence! It's like less than £1. Only just. But there are 245 metres or 267 yards on this. They're saying to use a 3 3/4 to a 4mm hook. Well, let me see if I can grab one. I found the beanie, because beanie is a 4mm hook. Oops, there you go. So beanie's going to help me out with this one. So this is a little bit chenille-y. Chenille-lily. You do have the yarn there with the chenille fabric fibre coming through on one side. This is 100% polyester. I'm dreading frogging this, but we'll see what happens. I think for 99 pence for so much yardage, heck, it's a bargain. So I'm only going to do a very small swatch because I don't want to use too much because this is going elsewhere. So let me just move the camera. Okay, let's give that a go. So there's my slip. 1, 2, oh, it's so soft. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, it's so soft. Okay. Oops. Well, that was a idiotic moment on my part because I went into the first from the hook instead of the second. Silly Lisa. Now, can I see the stitches? Not really. But as I've said before, this type of yarn... Oh, you can see the stitches. Okay. This type of yarn is not my forte, but you can actually see the stitches in there, which is rather handy for this type. So I'm just going to do... Oh, stay back, boy, stay back. Just going to do a row of single crochet. Now this beanie hook was made by Jelena. She does have an Etsy store, Cutlery Designs, which is linked down below in the description, because she is my favourite hook designer right now, because not only does she bring your ideas into creation, I mean, come on, it is beanie. It is beanie. It's beanses. But she also does it at a brilliant price, including postage. And yes, okay, you might wait a little while to get your hook, but it is so worth it. Okay, so a little bit slower than usual, and I apologise, but like I said, I'm not used to this. Oh, it's so soft, it's so soft, it's so soft. So I'm going to chain 2 and turn and do a row of half double. I'm so glad the stitches can be seen, because this style of wool, unless you're used to it, it's kind of tricky. It's definitely one that you need to feel for rather than just trusting your eyeballs. But this is so nice and airy light. I mean, chenille, you kind of expect chenille to be soft and plush. I mean, heck, it's called Robin Plush for a reason. I mean, it does say it's a DK. Obviously, because of the chenille, it's more an Aran weight, but the yarn itself, yeah, DK. 99p per skein right now. It's a bargain. Come on round, you. Thank you. Okay, so let's do one last row, and this one is double crochet, and I won't do any more than that because for whatever reason this might not frog so well. I really don't want to have to cut it because I want whoever's going to win this to be able to have a full skein. And yes, the haul video with the giveaway will be linked at the end of this. If you haven't entered, make sure you do. And there are 2 elements to the giveaway. If you only give me one, I won't say good luck. If you give me both, I'll give you a good luck in the reply, and you'll know that you're entered. Okay, that is so nice and soft. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. Oh, okay, I won't rub me germs on it. Okay, let's do a slow frog. That's good. And a quick one. Surprisingly, far, far better than I was expecting, and very little kinkage. Kinky. I am quite impressed because I was really, really, really expecting it to struggle on the frog. But it did it. Well done, Robin. Well done. So yes, this is the Robin Plush DK. Now, what will I score it? I have to remove the fact that I wouldn't use it. I've got to get rid of that. Okie doke. Would I turn my back on it? Nope. Would I be really annoyed if that were the only thing in the shop? Ugh. Nope. Would I be, well, it's not in my top 3, but it's definitely in my top 10. You haven't got my others? Okay, I'll grab it. Nope. Would I be, woohoo, you actually have it. Oh, I'm so pleased. Let's have 10. Quite probably. I am going to keep it on the 4 out of 5, and that is purely because seeing the stitches is difficult with this type of yarn, and of course you want to know where you're putting your stitches, and I think the further up you go, the more you're going to struggle seeing them. You have to feel. Now, with it being a DK, it is more of an Aran because you have to count the chenille on it. You have to. So I think it's a little bit false on the label. So for those 2 reasons, that's why I've taken one off. But for me, 4 ladybirds out of the 5 for the Robin Plush DK. Oh, it's getting eaten by HanKeys. You know, these Hanky keyrings? Kind of funky. Funky, Hanky, keyrings. Chunky, chunky, chunky. They're listed down below too. Anyway, I'll be gone. that was my yarn review for the Robin Plush DK, 100 grams, 99p on sale right now at the Wool Warehouse. Bargain. For that, I would turn around and say go for it, because the usual retail price is a little bit steep. So if you can, enjoy. Take care, and hopefully I'll see you next week. Bye bye.